In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. If you want to switch your Exness IB partner, there are two reliable ways to do it, and I'll walk you through each so you can choose the one that fits your situation. First, the most direct method is to contact Exness support. Since partner changes aren't something you can do from your dashboard, you'll need to reach out through live chat or email and clearly request a partner change. Have your account details ready, such as your account ID and the email you registered with, and be prepared to provide the new partner's code. Keep your message concise and courteous, and ask support to confirm when the change is completed. Response times can vary, but you'll typically get a reply outlining whether your account is eligible and what happens next. If they need additional verification, follow their instructions promptly. A tip here: only share information that support requests, and never disclose sensitive data like your password. The second option is best if you prefer a clean start or if support can't move you under a new partner. Create a new Exness account using the new partner's referral link. Do this before you deposit funds or place any trades, because partner attribution usually happens at the moment you register and can't be retroactively applied to existing activity. After you sign up, complete the verification for the new account. That generally includes verifying your identity and address, so make sure your documents are valid, clear, and match your profile details. Once verified, you can deposit and begin trading under the new partner relationship. A few practical tips to make the process smoother. When contacting support, mention that you understand partner changes aren't in the dashboard and that you're requesting a manual reassignment. That shows you know the process and helps them route your request quickly. If you're creating a new account, ensure you use the correct referral link from the start. If you ever notice the partner not showing as expected, pause before depositing and contact support to confirm the association. Finally, remember that each method aims for the same result: having your account correctly attributed to the partner you choose. If time is critical and you haven't funded or traded yet, a fresh account may be faster. If you already have an active account and want to keep it, support is your best path. Follow these guidelines, verify your account, and you'll be set under the right partner with confidence.